Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new user in Microsoft 365 using the Admin Center. This is one of the most common tasks for IT admins, and the process is quick once you know where everything lives. Start by going to admin.cloud.microsoft, and once you're there, you're gonna click Users, Active Users. Here is where all your user lives. And now you're gonna click add a user. We're gonna need to enter first name. And for example, we're gonna say Natty Tester. And here we're gonna give it the username, which will gonna be the user email address. And we're gonna give it tester. We can select for Microsoft to automatically create a password, or we can create our own password. In our case, we're going to say automatically create a password. If we want the user to change the password at the first sign in, we're going to leave it checked. If we want to be this password, which we are giving to the user, we're going to unselect it. In our case, we want to change it because we don't need to know the user password. We're going to click next. We're going to assign a license. In our case, we're going to give it what we have. If we want the user to be a regular user, or we want to be a global admin, an AI admin, and so on. If we want an admin, we're going to click admin center access and we're going to give what type of access the user requires. In our case, we're going to be a regular user which needs to access their mailbox, their computer, etc. We're going to click next and we're going to click finish adding. The new user is now created and ready to sign in. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Microsoft 365 admin tutorials.